2, 3.
The Great Wall of COVID. The Great Wall of COVID. The Great Wall of COVID. 然后嘞，要走吗 ？Show us. Tell them where'd you get your earrings? Online. For free. ，I just got home and I'm sweating buckets and that was it for today. I met up with my high school friends. It was a lot of fun because I haven't talked to them in such a long time, so yeah. I'm sweating like a pig, so I'm going to take a shower. Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to have lunch with my friend and I'm about to do my makeup. Should I tie my hair or not? I woke up this morning and there was just like a ton of construction going on upstairs. So originally I had my alarm set at like 10, but then I woke up at like 7-ish because I just couldn't sleep. But you know, what can you do? Okay, so basically today I'm going to have lunch with my friend near a place called Xinyi in Taipei. We're planning on going perfume shopping. Like, I want to go to Labo, Jo Malone, and I can't pronounce it. Is it Maison Francaise Cookshon? I don't know. I was Googling the restaurant yesterday and I realized right next to it there's like this film camera shop. So maybe we'll go check it out. How do people talk while doing their makeup? It's like, I just don't understand. Okay. Ah! Okay. Is it a yes or a no? Yes or no? Maybe I need more volume here. I think I'm gonna keep it. We're gonna try it for a day. If we don't like it, we'll never do it again. Yeah, I guess we'll try it out. I'm gonna be late if I don't change, so I have to go. So I changed, as you can tell, and I'm all ready. And I texted my friend because she's always late, and I was like, are you gonna be late today? She just woke up. The restaurant we were supposed to go to closes at 2 and reopens at 6, which means I'm gonna have to find a new restaurant. Oh my god.
1, 2, 3.
You couldn't imagine the sadness that happens when you're driving alone. There's nowhere to stop when you're crying. The radio is carrying you home. It's hard to stay focused so close to the ocean. Let the wind take control.
You want to speak English? Thank you. 颜色不同，但应该不会差太多，没有那么可怕。
那我要买欧美，我是欧美，27张。
我也27张。It's currently a Saturday afternoon. My mom basically wants to go to like this hiking trail. I'm just putting on sunscreen because I don't want to get burned skin. I have to change now. So we're at Dawulun Fort, and I've never been here before. You can hear the crickets in the background being very noisy. I hope you can still hear me. But my parents have been here multiple times. I've never been here, so we're going to see if there's a good view when we get to the top. Whoa! Look at the lighting here.
On the pavement, so why don't we try just to heal it for the evening? Babe, I know you know my name, and the spirits in us feel the same about tonight. These bastards leaving you in pain, and I'm trying to get them out your brain for now, cause I wondered if you spent the winter all alone. But I'm not one of your exes, check my message in your phone. I'm not trying to be friends with your dial tone. I just want you to pull up into my crib. I won't let the others enter, tell